Hi friends, good morning. Today weather is very different. It's raining, not heavy, but continuous raining. Start in the morning. So happy. But today schools are open. The first day this appearance. Some people like, some people are not. I like rainy, cold weather. I don't like hot summer. Which weather you like? Comment below. It's a beautiful morning. We are wake up early morning. You must enjoy this weather. I really enjoy this weather. The mountains are closed by clouds. It's so beautiful and I really enjoy this atmosphere. But go to outside is some difficult. There was no problem. Thank you.